Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the BMW 1 Series 118i M Sport, finished in a lovely Storm Bay metallic paintwork. Show you 6-speed manual gearbox alongside the turbocharged petrol engine producing 139 PS. Got the full BMW service history to ensure peace of mind motoring. You'll also receive a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves as well. So now for the front of the car, you've got these LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And running down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Power folding heated ring mirrors to the side, as well as privacy guards from the B pillar backwards as well. You have a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, so plenty of room for your weekly shop plus much more there. Got the adjustable boot floor as well with a little bit of storage underneath for any valuables. Moving into the interior, got lovely leather seats there with the contrasting white stitching, with ISOFIX points in the outer seats and a couple of USB ports in the back for your rear passengers as well. At the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with a centre armrest there as well to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheel, you've got a full digital display there for your vital driving information. Got your different modes available as well with the Eco Pro setting and also your sports mode. You've also got Spotify built into the vehicle as well, so you can listen to all your favourite tracks. You also got a digital radio alongside your multiple media options, of course, including your Bluetooth for your phone calls and music streaming. And your sat navigation on board as well, with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. You also benefit from the brilliant Android Auto and Apple CarPlay systems, so you can mirror apps from your phone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You have peace of mind parking as well with front and rear parking sensors. A little bit further down the cabin, you can see you've got dual zone climate control as well as heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. With a little bit of storage just below there as well, a couple of cup holders and also another USB port to charge your device.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.